A false alarm happened by a burnt toast or an instant stick, and the whole building evacuated immediately. Smart fire alarm systems don't just alert, they adapt. After a false trigger, they run a diagnostic. They auto-calibrate sensors, threshold and update the logs in the fire control panel. Model panel use addressable system and each detector have a unique ID for targeted investigation. Analytic helps reduce the future false alarm by learning from the environmental pattern. So safety tech today is not reactive, it's adaptive. And found this video informative? Then follow us to know what's next in CapShare.